Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. I just finished a mini album. Actually, it's not mini, it's quite large. It's about 9.5 inches wide by 9 inches high. And this is the album with repositionable photo mats. It's based on my tutorial. I'll include a link below. The tutorial is available in my Etsy shop, and I'm also going to be listing this mini album, the completed album, in my Etsy shop. So let me just take you through it. On the front, I have this fabric flower that I made with a little button, and I've got some little dangling crystals here. And this is beautiful paper, and it comes from the Botanical Bliss collection, and this was a hot buy at my local Michael's. They're finally starting to get a bit more scrapbook paper in, a better variety. So I was happy to find that. It's gorgeous paper, very thick, good quality paper stock. And I just embellished the spine with some mauve velour that goes really nice with these flowers on the front. And there's a little bit of foil on some of these flowers. And then I've got a Tim Holtz nameplate where you can write a date or a title. And here's the back. And this closes with the hoop and toggle. So let me just open this. I like this closure. It's really simple to make, and it's simple to open. You don't have to fight with it. So here's the inside. Now I made this album the same as in my tutorial, except I changed the order of the pages. And this front inside cover, the paper is so beautiful. It's all foiled, and I didn't want to cover it up. So I left this inside cover plain, and you can either put a photo on there or attach an envelope with some tags in it, or you can even add your own pocket if you like. But I decided to leave this one plain. Now here are my waterfalls. There are 3 waterfall pages. There's a total of 5 base pages in here. Lots of pockets and pull-out tags. So on the waterfall, again, because it's such pretty paper, and whoever ends up with this album, they can embellish it as they wish. So I kept the embellishments fairly plain. I've got a little bit of bling on the front flap, and this is a little embroidered butterfly, and I put some little flat back pearls on there, and I just attached that to the bottom flap. So this is my waterfall on the inside. Now you can put photos here and here if you like on the inside. And this is the repositionable part. On the side there's a pull-out tag. Okay, and that's just left plain. You could put a photo on there, a journal on the back if you like. And here's the waterfall. There's 11 pages, and then also when you lift up the waterfall, there's more space under here for larger photos. And the repositionable part is that you can actually slide this out of the pocket. I have magnets in here and in here that hold it in place, but the pockets are deep enough that it holds them in place pretty much without even using the magnets. So you can pull this out, and there's a slot on the side where the original photo mat was, and you can put this on the side and put vertical photographs in there if you prefer. And then this one can slide into the slot where the waterfall was, like that. So that's the repositionable waterfall. Now each of the base pages also has an extra large tag, and I'm added on both sides, and you can put photos on there. If it's lighter paper, you can journal, and I put a little bit of bling just on the side here. So there are 5 of these extra large tabs. On the next page, I have this flap where you can journal on or put photos, and you can also put a photo here, but if you want to have your photo vertical, you can flip that up. There are magnets again here and here to hold it in place, and then you can put your vertical photo here. In the tutorial, because this page is on the right in my album, I attached the flap to the right side of my page, but because this is going to be going from left to right, I attach it to the left edge of my page. And just like the waterfalls, when I made my waterfall in my tutorial, I seal off the bottom where the pocket slides in so that it doesn't go all the way through. And I also seal off, in my tutorial, I would seal off the right edge because my flap was being inserted from the left, because this waterfall originally was on the left side of my page, and that would slide in like that. So if you're changing the order of the pages and you're going to be putting an element on the left page instead of the right page or whatnot, just make sure you adjust your directions to accommodate your changes. So here in this page, I've got a whole bunch of tags in a double pocket. So these are beautiful tags. These are all from the paper collection, and I mounted some of them onto cardstock, like this one. And the back is just plain for journaling, or you can also put photos on the back. So here's the large tag. Now here's another repositionable element. I have a tag in a pocket, so you can put your photo on the pocket either horizontally, or if you want it vertically, you can just rotate this around. Again, there are magnets to hold it in place, so you can put your vertical photo on here. Here's my other waterfall. I won't take all of these out. I just want to quickly show you the pages. But these are all repositionable, and there's the tag that goes in the side. And here's the other swing tab, and that can go up like that. I've got just some little flat back pearls on here and little prima flowers. And here I've got some more tags. So there's room for lots of other photos and mementos in there. Here's the large tag. And here's my other rotating pocket. And there's the tag that's inside it. So if you already purchased this tutorial, you can go ahead, try making another album and vary the pages. You don't have to follow along exactly the way I had them in the tutorial. You can make them all waterfall pages if you like. And there's the last waterfall page. And it pulls out. Here's the underneath. These are pretty little butterflies. And in my tutorial album, I had the single pocket on the inside front, or no, it was the first page of the album. This one, I just made the pocket so that it's the last page. And here on the back, you can either leave that plain or you can add some more photos in there. So that's my album. I'll be listing it in my Etsy shop, and I will include a link below also to the tutorial, which is available in my Etsy shop. Have a nice day and happy scrapping. Bye.